Here you go, Alexandra. Who brought this bird? You see the crop is full there? Yeah. Yeah, little black bird. It's a red-winged blackbird. Oops, sorry. I usually eat insects. I'm giving her an egg mixture. I'm gonna give her a little bit. That's a bird. Hmm? 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 I'm a bad mommy, huh? I'm gonna get stuff in your eye. Hmm? There we go. Okay. I'm not gonna overfeed her because it's good enough for now. Yeah, how's that? You see how the crop gets full? Yeah. Turn around. See, you okay? I'm gonna clean her face, huh? Yeah. Okay. What a sweet little bird. Got food in her eye or what? Okay, look at that.